Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, Ramadan special, another recipe for you, which is Paneer Pakora. Trust me guys, this is so delish. Let me take you to the ingredient. In this bowl I have besan, just 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or just plain flour. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon ginger, which is just grated, 1/2 teaspoon garlic crushed, cumin seeds, Ajwain, or you can call this Karom seeds, pinch of turmeric powder, chili powder, baking soda, and salt, water as needed. And then over here we have some paneer and green chutney. Now I'm gonna link down below green chutney recipe. You guys can follow my recipe and make your own green chutney. So we also need oil for frying. Now I'm gonna start by making the batter first. Now just mix the plain flour and the besan together. Add all of this, the dry ingredient and ginger and garlic. Mix that up, and then little by little you're gonna add water. This is just regular tap water. Okay, so this is a consistency that you're looking for. It's like almost like a bhajia. Okay, now I'm gonna set this on a side and let's work with the paneer. Now you're gonna cut the paneer about 1 centimeter thick. Okay, it's not perfect. Okay, let's do another one. Get a sharp knife. Okay, and now just use a knife and slit the paneer. Not completely, but up to, let's say you're gonna leave 1 centimeter. Just like that. Okay, and now open it a little bit, and then just a little bit of green chutney in the middle, and then just set it on the side, and then keep doing the rest. In the meantime, my oil is preheating and I'm using vegetable oil today. You can use sunflower oil, you can use canola oil, up to you. Oil is preheating over medium. Now this has to be fried on over medium heat, not low heat, not high heat. Now this is what you're gonna do. Just dip the paneer into the butter and then just fry. Now don't worry about the oil. I just fried something earlier and it's not dirty. Then just keep repeating the same process. All right guys, I just flipped them over. It's been a minute and a half, and we're just gonna make this golden brown. Okay guys, now you can see the color has been darkened a little bit and inside it has been cooked. And now I'm gonna start removing it. Guys, my paneer pakoras, they are all ready, and this is how they are. I have cut one. You can see the green chutney inside. Get the full written recipe down below in the comment section. Leave your sweet comments guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.